So I know that the haters are going to say that I've carried my Alagbo attitude to Obodo Ibo. But I had no choice because I wasn't feeling too fine yesterday. So I was very lucky that where I'm staying, I can cook, okay? And there is a Chinese or Asian or whatever supermarket downstairs, and I got myself this ejiri. For those of you who are familiar with Yoruba herbal stuff, this is ejiri. If you know ejiri, you know that this is a giant. I got this for myself to brew as a tea, and I was also lucky to get some cardamom. So I'm going to make it into a herbal tea for myself as a detox, because since I got here, I haven't really been feeling myself, and I think I need herbs. So I'm going to cut it up and make it into a herbal tea and take. So I will show you how I went and I got the bitter melon. Look at the size of that bitter melon. Aging. Look at this. This is excellent as a detox and blood sugar regulator. So I'm gonna boil this with the lemon and the cardamom to make myself a healthy tea. So I'm going to pound the cardamom seeds in here, and then I'll cut this up and this up, and I'm going to boil it to make a herbal tea. I don't use anything in the abroad without washing off all the chemicals first, you know, because I really don't trust it. A lot of stuff here has been sprayed with all manners of things to preserve them. Okay, so I have cut some of the bitter melon into slices and cut the lemon, and I've pounded the cardamom seeds. So I'm going to boil all of it together inside a big pot. So pardon this pot, it was given to us by the hotel. Okay, so they gave us some cooking utensils, not enough, but I'm managing what I have. So I'm going to put this into the pot. Something interesting. I got some seeds from the bitter melon. I'm going to take it home and see if it will be possible for me to grow it. I doubt it, but I will try. Okay, so the cardamom, there you have it at the maximum, so that it will boil quickly, and then once it boils, I'll turn it low and allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes. So it's actually boiled, so I'm going to turn it low to allow it to simmer. All right, so here's the herbal tea, and I'm going to put it in a cup, and I'm going to have a marvelous time with it. Really pour some. There's my herbal tea. Ah, walai, ejiri yìí ò tiẹ̀ korò rárá. You see, it's just big for nothing. When I saw the size, you know, I screamed. because I thought I was going to get something as bitter as what we see in Nigeria. Apparently, it was just big for nothing. But this herbal tea is not too bitter. It reminds me of, you know, Schweppes bitter lemon without sugar in it. It tastes quite good, you know. And by the way, I used all the ejiri. Still, kotie koro. Cheers.